factory of the Chinese company X Robots, work is in full swing to create hyper-realistic humanoid robots designed to replicate human expressions and emotions. These robots, aimed at applications in healthcare and education, are being built with precision at the factory, where workers are surrounded by silicone masks, spare limbs, and torsos in various assembly stages. Product blueprints adorn the walls, and female robots are displayed with luxurious wigs and makeup. In this video, we'll show you how these humanoid robots are made, estimate when they could potentially replace humans, and explore how China is leading the charge in developing some of the world's most advanced robots. At X Robots, engineers focus on refining humanoid robots, particularly their facial expressions and emotional responses. CEO Li Bong explains that androids represent the most complex field in robotics, with the manufacturing process for each model taking between 2 to 4 weeks, costing around $280,000, 1.5 to 2 million yuans. The factory floor is filled with silicone face masks, hands, and legs, as tiny motors are placed throughout the robot's head and body to replicate human behavior. The company's team of software and algorithm developers is working on proprietary AI solutions to help robots recognize and replicate facial expressions and emotions. The robots are designed to understand their environment and react accordingly, using AI and machine learning. For example, if an employee turns their head, smiles, or sticks out their tongue, the humanoid robot mirrors these actions through tiny motors embedded in its head. X Robots, founded in 2009 and starting humanoid robot development in 2016, is focused on creating multimodal robots that can express emotions. These robots are equipped with AI to perceive their surroundings and display appropriate facial expressions in response. While basic models and open-source algorithms exist, X Robots is focused on creating proprietary software to enhance their robots' ability to mimic human-like interactions. X Robots positions itself as a high-tech enterprise specializing in intelligent bionic humanoids. And while the robots are currently used as exhibits at the X Future Science and Technology Museum, the company envisions a future where humanoid robots will play a significant role in sectors such as healthcare, education, and more. The company's robots are already being tested in fields such as elderly care, psychological counseling, and education, where the ability to display emotions is crucial. In the future, humanoid robots may assist with household duties like cooking, cleaning, and childcare. X Robots predicts that each household could eventually own one or more robots. These robots are designed to be as realistic as possible, with high-precision 3D scanners used to replicate a person's face and hands. The robot's silicone skin is nearly indistinguishable from human skin, and they can even simulate human-like features like vein patterns, palm lines, and goosebumps. Creating a humanoid robot involves a multi-step process that can take from 3 to 6 months, including voice development, 3D printing, and the application of bionic coatings. The most difficult part of the process is designing the mechanical structure, as it requires placing tiny components into a compact space and ensuring smooth, natural movements that mimic human motion. X Robots' humanoid robots are not just realistic in appearance, they are capable of performing various tasks. For example, users can control their facial expressions or gestures through an app or by using gloves. These robots are designed to integrate into human society, playing roles in healthcare, education, and other industries.